In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro when it's not responding or keeps crashing. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're in the middle of a project and your software just isn't cooperating. So let's dive right in and get your Adobe Premiere Pro back on track. First, let's tackle the issue by heading over to the Edit menu in your Premiere Pro application. You can find it right at the top of your screen. This is where you can access a wide range of settings and preferences that may help resolve the issues. Once you're in the Edit menu, the next step is to navigate to the Preferences section, and within that, select Media Cache. The Media Cache stores various render files and other temporary data that can sometimes become corrupted, leading to software instability. Now, within the Media Cache preferences, you'll see an option labeled Media Cache Files, and right next to this option, there will be a button that says Delete. Go ahead and click Delete. By doing this, you're instructing Premiere Pro to clear out these old, possibly corrupted files. Don't worry, this won't delete your project files, just the temporary data that the program doesn't need after the project is done. Once those files are cleared out, it often helps make the software run more smoothly. After you've taken care of the media cache, it's time to move on to a simple but effective step. Close and reopen Premiere Pro. Think of it as giving your application a fresh start. Often, restarting the program can resolve a host of issues by resetting any misbehaving processes or features. Now, it's important to ensure your software is up to date. To do this, open the Creative Cloud desktop app. It serves as the central hub for managing all your Adobe applications. Once the Creative Cloud app is open, look for any update notifications right next to Premiere Pro. Updating the software ensures you have all the latest bug fixes and improvements, which might just solve the problem you're facing. So go ahead and click on the Update button if it's available for Premiere Pro. By following these steps, you should have a more stable version of Adobe Premiere Pro, free from unnecessary crashes and non-responsive moments. Remember, regular maintenance like this can keep your software running efficiently and save you plenty of headaches in the long run. If you continue to experience issues, there might be other deeper technical problems specific to your setup, so consider further troubleshooting or reaching out to Adobe support. Keep creating, and I hope this tutorial helps make your editing experience much smoother.